Good morning. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Okay. So today let us discuss clipping. What does clipping mean?
Cutting. To cut.
To cut. Okay. And can you give me an example? What do you do?
Nail clipping.
Nail clipping. Okay, nail clipping. Yes. And what? How do you clip your nails? You clip your nails with a
Nail
Nail
clipper.
clipper.
nail clipper. Right. So clipping means to cut. Okay. So let us see what does clipping mean in word formation in morphology. Clipping, my dear students, is the process of extracting shorter word from a longer word. What do? You have longer words like alligator, refrigerator, or perambulator. You have longer words. You cut them short, and you get a small word. That small word is called as clipped word. In clipping, longer words are reduced. However, part of speech and meaning of the word remain the same. There is no change as far as parts of speech is concerned or the meaning of the word is concerned. Like if you whether you call refrigerator or fridge, it just means the same. There is no change in the parts of speech or
The meaning.
in the meaning of a word. And same as I said, perambulator or pram, the clipped word. So there is no change in parts of speech or say meaning of the word. And how many types of clipping is there? There are 4 types of clipping. Let us discuss clipping now. There are 4 types of clipping. Should I write it here? And you please keep writing, okay? 4 types of clipping. Now you all understand what does clipping mean?
Yes, sir.
Clipping means to cut or to clip a bigger word, a longer word, and extract a shorter word out of it. The shorter word you get is called as
Clipped
Clipped
word.
the clipped word. Okay. And what doesn't happen to a shorter word, the new word? The parts of each speech doesn't change, and even the meaning of the word also remains the same. That also doesn't change. So I was talking about types of clipping. Number one, back clipping. Let's begin with this. Back clipping. Okay, back clipping. So back clipping. What do you do here? You clip the back of a word. What do you do here? You clip the back part of a word. For example, advertisement. Advertisement. Now it's a very long word. Advertisement. So what do? You clip the back part of it. Okay, you clip it. The back part is clipped, and you are left with the front part, the fore part. And what is called? The clipped word. The clipped word is ad. It's very, nowadays people often use this word, clipped word. They say nice ad. It was a nice ad. No, that is not a nice ad. You do not say, oh, that was a very nice advertisement. You seldom use this word. Most often you use the clipped word. Sometimes the clipped word becomes very common. Is that so or not?
Yes, sir.
For example, we seldom say telephone. What do we say? Instead of telephone, we say phone. What do we say?
Telephone.
Phone. Yeah. So, this is an example of what kind of clipping is it? Tell me, what have you done? You have cut this word. So, this is an example of fore clipping. Okay. Second type of clipping is called as fore clipping. What have you done here?
Cut the first part.
You have cut the first part. And you are left with the second part. So this is fore clipping. It is an example of fore clipping. Okay, let us have one more example of back clipping, like pop music. I think is it clear? It's not. Okay, let me write it again. Pop music. Pop music. You are left with pop. What do you do now? This again, because I think I had given you one example, so there is one more example of back clipping. This is pop music. So here you have clipped the back part of it and you are left with the front part. So it is again an example of back clipping. Okay, let's do fore clipping now. This you have understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And what do we call it? Fore clipping, forerunner, forecast. Fore clipping. What do you do in fore clipping? You retain the
Second
final part of the word. Okay, as you saw in the word telephone, which I just wrote here, telephone. Now for example, alligator. Now alligator is an instance of here. What do? I just clip the fore part of it and you are left with gator. Gator. Now this is an example of fore clipping. And another example that we just saw was telephone. You cut the first part and you are left with the second part, phone. Okay, so now you know back clipping, you know fore clipping, and then there's yet another kind of clipping. Number 3, we call it middle clipping. Now as is clear from the term that here you clip the middle part of the word. For example, influenza here. Influenza is a very long word. Influenza. What do? You cut the fore part, you cut the back part even, and you retain this part. Do we say he is suffering from influenza? Seldom do we say. What do we often say?
Flu.
That he has got flu, he is suffering from flu. So it's a very common word, flu. The clip words are very common that way. Not all,